You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word, and I know many mispronounce it or are at least confused by it. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing like this in English, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. There are two different pronunciations indeed. The British English pronunciation, the one that's more or most commonly used in the UK, is as facultative. Facultative. The stress on the first syllable, facultative. Now, the Americans more commonly, the American English pronunciation is more as facultative. Facultative, all right? So, two different pronunciations, facultative or facultative. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can all learn from you. Was this any useful? Also, let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.